Hi guys, सत श्री अकाल। करण शर्मा from Tech Savvy Punjabi Munda. So आज का discussion I wanted to do regarding communication skills. Many people face a lot of challenge with respect to this particular subject, and let's be clear, guys. English is just a language. Communication skills is an art, and art needs to be developed over time. It cannot be developed in 1 day or 2 day. Okay. So I would like to share just a small short story. When I went for my high graduation in UK, I never used to be a fluent speaker. I never knew how to even say a word. My English writing skills were amazing because in Indian education, we have been taught to mug up things from childhood, but I never used to even speak a word when I was in school. So when I went to my higher graduation in UK in Coventry University, I used to see all sorts of nationality people from China, from UK, from Europe, from Zimbabwe, from Africa. They all used to communicate in one language, which was English. When they wanted to communicate with me, I was not very confident. I used to lack too much confidence. बहुत डर लगता था. I never knew what to say in front of them. So one of my teacher told me, Karan, first of all, you need to be confident. You can speak good. Everybody can speak good, but you need to be confident in what you do. अब what happened? मैं for 1 month, ये लाइव एक्सपीरियंस है गाइस। 1 महीने के लिए मैं एकदम आइसोलेट हो गया लोगों से। मैं बात ही नहीं करता था। I just used to go university, just do my whatever bits and bobs learnings, and used to come back. I never used to even say even a word to anyone. Trust me, I was very, very shy at school time. I never used to say anything to anyone. मैं जब वापस आता था, I used to speak to myself in front of a mirror. I used to communicate to myself. लोगों के accent copy करता था. They used to be like British accent, like how what you doing, mate? How you doing? Well, there's अलग-अलग kinds of accent होते हैं. What you doing, mate? You know, so it's about what you learn from people. So one thing I learned while communicating in English was be confident. अब क्या there's lots of people in this society whose grammar is very poor, but their English is very good because their confidence level is very high. So to be a confident speaker, you need to have brilliant confidence. You need to just communicate with people. Don't be scared. अब बहुत बार मैं देखता हूँ कि some people come and tell me, they can speak to their level people, but when it comes to the higher management, they're not able to speak to them. बहुत बार ऐसा इश्यूज हुए हैं, मेरे को बताए गए हैं। तो सो बेसिकली हायर मैनेजमेंट दे वोंट बाइट यू, दे आर आल्सो पीपल लाइक अस, वो भी यहीं से आगे बढ़े ऊपर गए हैं। सो डोंट बी स्केर्ड टू स्पीक टू पीपल, रीड बुक्स, सी गुड मूवीज, you know uh, see the news, the journalists how they speak, the politicians how they convince the people. A convincing doesn't mean कि आप उठ के बोलना पड़ो मित्रों, no, not like that. The way they communicate with the society, the way they influence people, amazing. Take good out of them. Practice karo. When you come back home, just whatever it is, write an essay and practice it in front of a mirror. Most important thing is key to get confidence. And once you have the confidence to execute what you're saying, trust me, that's the day you have learned the communication skills. Yeah. So that is what is it is. Don't be scared. Don't be scared to make mistakes. Make mistakes as much you want, but don't repeat them. Always have this lesson in your life, guys. You will not be successful in just one go. There will be very much hard times in your life. रातों रात कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको. you know आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. बहुत अपने आप पे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, अपने करियर पाथ को फिक्स रखो, एक गोल डिसाइड करो खुद के लिए। You, I mean, each appraisal you wait for a career goal from your senior, whatever, but why don't you set up your own goals? It can be anything. It can be sales, it can be pre-sales, it can be technician, it can be beautician, it can be any single path you want to go. My previous CEO told me once, a very very beautiful thing. देख करण, काम सब करते हैं, but be the best in what you do. अब क्या, I also keep on learning. I'm not a very very fluent speaker, but I might stuck sometimes, but it's okay. I'm not scared to do it. I'm proud, कि मैं from the university level which I was, from nowhere to at least I know how to speak now. So don't be scared. Make mistakes. Come on. So be the best in what you do, and trust me, you will go sky highs. They can be brilliant salesmen across the globe, but if you want to succeed in life, just be the best. And trust me, you will reach there. One day you will reach there. There will be times you will be like कि यार नहीं हो रहा है, छोड़ यार, let's change the field now. I cannot do it. I'm making so many mistakes. Come on. No, stick to it. Try to analyze why I am making those mistakes. I have got brilliant seniors in my company, who guide me all in each phase, like a guardian. कि करण यहाँ पे ये गलती होगी, let's try to rectify it. Stay away from the distractions. Have a clear career path कि मुझे ये करना है लाइफ में. Life is too short, guys. The reason I'm making all these videos are because I'm just sharing my life experience with all of you. I have faced those challenges from childhood, but now is the time. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying making these videos. Come on. I might fumble a bit. I might be scared sometimes, but to hell with it. Don't worry. So coming back to the topic regarding the communication skills, main agenda is obviously read books, see the journalist, see English news, uh, but do make sure English is just a language. It has been originated from our own Sanskrit language only. So make sure you are confident in what you do. The confidence is very important, guys, and that will take you to sky high. So thank you so much. With this, Karan Sharma Tech Savvy, I'm signing out, and please like and share. Thank you so much. I'll come up with my next video soon. Bye bye.